It's 40 degrees outside. The parks are empty, the heat unbearable, and your kids bored and glued to screens. As parents, you want more than just keeping them busy. You want them to be active, happy, and screen free. But how? Don't worry, Smartivity brings the joy of outdoor play right into your living room. No screens, just fun and fun. Let's start the fun with mini tennis, a game where kids build their own racket, own court, and play and have fun. They create rally and score. It's lightweight, portable, and crazy addictive, especially for a two-player challenge. The kids learn to focus, hand-eye coordination, and improve their reflexes. Now let's kick off the action with mini football, a tabletop thriller game that brings the action of real football indoors. Flick, pass, shoot, and score. It's a strategy game that helps sharpen coordination, patience, and teamwork. And when it's time for solo fun, we cool down with Color Coder, a vibrant pattern matching game. With 15 exciting challenges, this compact little kid sparks focus, attention, color recognition, and memory, all without a single screen. They pick a challenge card, race to match the pattern, and feel the rush of beating the clock. Don't let the summer bore you this year. With the whole range of Smartivity toys, you are not supposed to get bored. You are supposed to learn, have fun, and play. You can get all these toys with the link in the description on Smartivity's website. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel, and I will see you in the next time with more fun and more games and more learning.